this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as you see in the title, hey, we're going to be talking about AI today. I am super excited about AI because, y'all, let me tell you something. I never actually thought that I would be using AI in my business. Now, I know a lot of people thinking about AI. I don't know if I want to use it in my business. I don't know. Maybe you don't know anything about AI. And I was the same way till I started learning about it, till I started practicing and doing certain things with AI. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you about AI is that you don't want it to overtake your thinking. You still want to be able to think when it comes to your business. You still want to be the pretty much the overall source of your business. But it's okay to use AI in your business. Just make sure that you still are doing the thinking, and just don't let AI completely take over. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm saying. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you learned a lot from this video. I'm going to show you what I have created in AI. I am a Kansas City Chief girl. I love the Kansas City Chiefs. So I'm going to show you what I made using the Kansas City Chief. And also, I am a Steelers girl. I love the Steelers. So I'm going to show you that also. And of course, my school, Alabama State. But there's some other things that I'm going to show you too. And then we're going to come back another day and learn some more about AI. So if you want to learn about AI and how AI can help you in your business, let's go ahead and go to Chatgpt. And I'm also going to show you how you can use AI in Microsoft Bing also. All right. So just remember that some of these are when it comes to Chatgpt have a paid version, and they also have a free version. Now, the free version is, I think you can only do between 3 and 5 designs a day, but that's okay. I have the paid version, but the free version is absolutely fine until you know if AI is something that you want to do. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all. So as you see right here, this is one of the AI designs that I did. Now, when it comes to AI, you have to be careful, especially when you put in certain words, because sometimes the AI will, when it comes to like your pictures and things like that, it will kind of look a little off. All right. So you have to make sure that the design that you're putting into the actual prompt that you're putting in, and when the design come up, it's exactly what you want. Because if not, a lot of times you have to go back in there and rephrase it, because it tells you in Chatgpt that it do make mistakes, because it is AI and it is a computer. So you just have to continue sometimes to put things in to get it to the way that you want it to look. But this is one of the designs that I did since Christmas is coming up. All right, y'all, so here's another design that I did also, and y'all know I love me some Alabama State, so I just decided to make me an Alabama State girl, and it came out cute. This is the prompt that I put in. I'm gonna show you the prompt that I put in for some of these, but what I don't like about it is that it came out with multiple girls, as you see right here, and I didn't want the multiple girls. I just wanted one girl with the Alabama State sweatshirt, with the ripped jeans, carrying the Alabama State bag. And as you see right here at the bottom, the bag is on the right hand side, and I wanted her to have a tumbler. So as you see, she's kind of holding the tumbler, but not all the way. The tumbler is too big for her hand. So that's when, what I tell you about when you put prompts in sometime, and you may have to go back and redo it because you may not like the way that it comes out. And like I said, this is, it's AI for you. Now, a lot of times when you do put in the prompt will come out the way that you want it. I am in Chatgpt, so it's chatgpt.com. So yeah, so that's what I want to tell you. I'm just showing you some of the ones that I have done, so that you can see what I'm talking about when I say that you have to sometime continue to do it over and over again until you get it to the way that you want it, because Chatgpt AI is not perfect. All right, y'all, so here's another design that I did. It's one that I used to create my ebook cover. It's a new ebook that I just put out there. I'm going to be linking and the link in the description box for you to go and purchase these ebooks that I have out there. So make sure you go and check them out. But as you see, this is absolutely gorgeous. She is relaxing. She has her a glass of wine or whatever, grape juice, whatever you want to put in your cup or whatever you want to use the prompt for. That is completely up to you. But I just want to show you that AI can be used for your business. It can be used for ebooks. It can be used for practically anything that you want it to be used for. Okay, so here's another one. Now, y'all know I was just talking about hot chocolate in my other video. Now, this is one of the ones that I absolutely love. I can't remember if I did some free designs over in my community, and I think this was one of the ones that I put over there for my community to go ahead and grab. But this one, the very first one, is absolutely gorgeous. I love that one, and I also like the second one also. But let me show you what I put in order for this to come up. All right, so here it is right here. Here's the prompt that I use if you would like to go ahead and copy that and do it for, for yourself. And I just put a cup of hot chocolate with big marshmallows on top with a Santa hat. The hot chocolate have chocolate syrup coming off the sides of the mug. Now, this is gorgeous, y'all. I absolutely love this. And like I said, since Christmas is coming up, then this will be a great one to use for maybe your tumblers or whatever it is that you want to use it for. Okay, y'all, so here's another one that I did. Pink is one of my favorite colors. I love pink, and it's part of my brand colors. So I did this cute girl in pink, and y'all know I have gray hair. So I decided to do a girl with gray hair. Even though I'm young, I still have gray hair. And, I wanted to create a younger lady with gray hair also, because a lot of people feel like gray hair is considered older, but it's not. Okay, I just want to put that out there. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So this is the one that I did of her. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I did the fall background as you see in the back. Now the only thing that I really don't like about this, it has the frame part on it, as you can see here at the bottom, the gold, and it also have the gold at the top. And I don't want that. So what I did, I went back in and I recreated it and asked Chatgpt to take the border off. So if there's something that you have created or told Chatgpt to create and you don't like it, then you can go back and do the same thing, but ask Chatgpt to remove whatever it is that you don't want. And it will normally do it. Or I love Canva. You can take this design, upload it to Canva, and you can go in and you can magic erase whatever it is that you don't want. You can take it out, but that's totally up to you and how you want to do everything. Okay. But another thing that you may or may not see is right here. Do you see right here where this little finger is pointing right here? Now, that is a name there. Now, I'm not sure how that works, but you have to be careful when it comes to that. Even though, you ask ChatGPT to create these things, this is the idea that came up in your mind, whatever you ask it to create. I'm not sure if some of it is trademarked or copyrighted, but I just always be skeptical a little bit when I see names at the bottom of something. That's the first time I've saw this when I have created things in ChatGPT, but I have the paid one. And just by me doing my research in the class that I've taken, anytime that you pay for something, I'm not gonna say anytime that you pay, because sometimes you can pay for something that's trademarked. Like we all know that Mickey Mouse is trademarked. Disney is trademarked. You can't use those things. But you just have to really be careful. Even though you create some things or you may pay for it, you still have to just go in there and just be safe, okay? Because we are using AI and things like that. So just, I just wanted to bring that to you because this is a name here. I'm not sure what the name say or anything like that, but just be careful when you are using some of these designs, okay? Just always be safe. Okay, so here's another one that I did do. And like I said, you don't see a name or anything on this one. You don't see a border or anything. So I asked it to create what I wanted it to create. And this is what it created. Okay. So absolutely love it. So here are the different ones that you can choose right here. You have ChatGPT, you have Daily, you have image generator, and you also have Explore GPTs. Okay, so you can choose any one of these to make, to create your design. I use ChatGPT a lot. I have tried all of these. So we're going to talk about Microsoft Bing, which is the image creator. Now, it is AI also, but it's just like how when I showed you ChatGPT and Daily and all of that. Now, we're going to go in here and we're going to create something in Microsoft Bing. Now, one thing about Microsoft Bing, it has like little tokens that you can, I think you get like 15 tokens a day, and you can create, of course, designs, AI designs with it. And once your tokens are used up, then you will have to wait in order to create something different. So I've created a lot of things here, but we're going to go in here and we're going to let my twin say what she wants to create, okay? So let's try it. Okay. What do you say?
A dog.
Create.
A dog by
create an Australian Shepherd. Is that what you want?
Australian Shepherd.
Okay, so she wants an Australian Shepherd.
By a Christmas tree
Australian
with Santa hat.
Shepherd.
And decorations.
Australian Shepherd. What now with a Christmas hat?
By a Christmas tree.
Okay, so create an Australian Shepherd.
And with a Santa hat.
Sitting by a Christmas tree, comma, with a Santa hat on, Santa hat on, comma, what now?
With decorations by a window.
With decorations outside. By the window while it is snowing outside. Okay, so that's how we did it. We put that in there. So let's hit create and see what it comes up with. Okay, now as you see, it might take a little minute here, but we're going to wait and see what it comes up with. Oh my goodness, y'all, that is so pretty. Look, this is gorgeous, y'all. Do you see? Oh, that is so pretty. Look at here.
I think I like that one.
Yeah, that's pretty. So as you see, that's the prompt that we put in. Create an Australian Shepherd sitting by a Christmas tree with a Santa hat on with decorations by the window while it is snowing outside. Super cute, right? So I'm going to be using some of those. Let me get my other twin to come up with one. So what you want to do? Come on.
A snowy window.
Okay, so she said create puppies. Okay, so we're just going to type in something. Create puppies with Santa hats. Do I know?
By a fireplace.
Sitting or standing?
Sitting.
Sitting?
Or cuddling. Whatever.
Okay, so create puppies with Santa hats, cuddling by what? The fireplace. Okay, the fireplace. That's it? That's all. Okay. Create puppies with Santa hats cuddling by the fireplace. So let's go here and press create and let's see what we get, y'all, okay? It's taking a few minutes. Your image is being created by AI. Oh, look. That is so cute. Look at the little puppies. Oh, those are so cute. All right. So y'all see how that works? So let me X out of this. I'm going to show you some of the ones that I have been over here playing around with. So let me go ahead and show you. All right, y'all. So let me show you one of the first ones that I did when I first really learned about AI and started just, practicing and just creating certain things. Now, I did her. I think she is absolutely gorgeous. She is so cute with those big eyes. And I did the gold dress with the purse and the shoes with the roses in the back. I thought this was, as my twins say, Mama, you fancy. So I thought this was really fancy and cute. All right, so here's another one that I did not too long ago. Y'all know I am an event designer. So I do a lot of tablescapes, and I thought this was cute. I put the tablescape in the back, and I put this lady here in the front, of course. She has gray hair. I thought she was super cute, as well as this one here. So like I said, you can do anything with AI. All right, so I told you that I am a Kansas City Chiefs girl. I love Kansas City Chiefs. So I went in to design this. I thought this was really cute, but as you see, the top of her head is cut off. So you can't really see the Kansas City Chiefs hat, but everything else you can see. Now this right here, it put two F's instead of one, which is supposed to be Chiefs, but that's a quick fix. I can go in and Canva and fix that. All right, so let me show you another one. Now, this is another one that it gave me here. That's another one. And this is another one that it gave me. Now, as you see, I said that I wanted the shoes, and it put those shoes here on the side, which I didn't want the shoes on the side. I wanted them on her feet. So this is it. All right, everyone. So that is it with the AI that I've been doing. I have some more on here that I've been doing, but I just wanted to kind of give you the basics and everything that you can do with AI and using your business. It doesn't matter if you are like me, you are an event designer, you are a custom apparel person, you do baking, cooking, whatever it is that you do, you still can use AI in your business in some type of way. You just have to put in the different prompts and what you want it's what it to look like. And if it doesn't look like the exact thing that you want it to look like, you may have to go back in there and redo it again until you get it the exact way that you want it. But I did want to show you some examples of what I have been doing over here and some things that I have incorporated into especially my ebooks, because I am adding more ebooks. Be putting the link in the description box for you to go and purchase these ebooks, y'all. I have put a lot of hard work and time into these, so make sure you go and check them out. Purchase you some. Remember, so I thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment. Make sure you share this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or join my Facebook community so that we can work together, y'all, and we can learn about all of this, because our business are forever changing. AI is here. I'm sure it's going to be here for a really long time. So if that's something that you always wanted to do, always wanted to learn, just let me know. Let me know in the description box, okay? So you all have a great day. I hope that you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.